All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and you already know we about to get busy in this kitchen because you saw we got pasta on the menu. And anytime we got pasta on the menu, you already know it's a good day. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this 3-cheese chicken spaghetti with this creamy Parmesan sauce. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. They can be found on allwingseverything.com or ijustcookalot.com. Back here we have our chicken. I cut them up in about 1-inch pieces. Heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, cheddar cheese, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, parsley, black pepper, some red chili flakes, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chopped garlic, Cajun seasoning, paprika, and we have some butter here. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna prepare our spaghetti. Now, I forgot to let you know that we do have spaghetti here. It was sitting right here, forgot to mention it, even though it's right in front of me. We're gonna take our spaghetti. I got a pot of water right here boiling. It's good to go. I've already salted it. And we're just gonna add our spaghetti in here. And we're just gonna cook this baby according to the box instructions. And typically that's until it's al dente. All right, so to get started, we're gonna cook our chicken. So we don't need this pan right now. We can set this over here and about to make a boo-boo. Bring over our other pan, hit it with some olive oil. And we're gonna let that baby warm up, heat up over medium-high heat. So once that pan is hot, we're gonna go in and start adding our chicken pieces. Guys, you may want to just cook these in batches. Try not to overcrowd your pan. That way you get your nice sear. It just adds to the flavor. And while our chicken cooks, it looks like our spaghetti is almost done. So we're gonna prepare for it. As you can see, we have our colander. Sit that over there in the refrigerator. Just gonna remove this, and I'm gonna pour this over here in our sink. Before I do that, I'm gonna get me some of this pasta water, about 1/4 of a cup. I like to save me some of that pasta water. Got our noodles here. Sit that right there. Put it back here over on our stove. Turn that fire off. Get back over here to this chicken. See, guys, I can do more than one thing at a time. So all we're gonna do now is cook our chicken in 2 or 3 batches. So just hang tight and we're gonna come back. All right, so now we're finishing up our last batch of chicken. We're gonna move it and sit it right here in the bowl. Place it right there. Now we're going to switch out our pan. I'm gonna put this over here and we're gonna bring our pan here and sit it right here. Once that pan heats up, we're gonna go in with our garlic and we're gonna let this cook until fragrant. Take about 30 to 45 seconds. All right, so after about 45 seconds to a minute, you wanna go in with your chicken broth and your heavy whipping cream. And you're gonna let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so once that sauce starts to simmer, we're gonna go in with our dry seasonings. We're gonna add our Cajun seasoning first, our paprika, our garlic powder, and our onion powder, black pepper, our salt, and our red chili flakes. We're gonna get that stirred in for a couple of seconds. This is where this dish is gonna get that flavor from, right here. All right, once we get all that incorporated, it's time to invite our cheeses to the party. We're gonna start out with our Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna get this stirred in until it melts completely. Next, we're gonna go in with our mozzarella cheese. Same with this. We're gonna stir this in until it melts. Guys, in each addition of this cheese, what it's doing is thickening up that sauce. Hold up, I hear something. That cheddar cheese saying, why you ain't inviting me to the party? Now we're gonna go in with our cheddar cheese. And we're gonna slowly get this whisked in as well. And you're looking for this baby to become smooth and creamy. Once that cheddar cheese melt, time to invite that chicken to the party. Get that stirred around for a minute. Then it's time for us to add our noodles to the party as well. We're gonna get this moved around in here. All right, so now we're just gonna let those noodles finish cooking for the next 2 to 3 minutes to let all those flavors blend together. Once we do that, we're coming back. All right, guys, so it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna turn our heat off. Man, take a look at what we have. Man, we're going to remove this from our heat. Place it right here, over here on our cutting board, and we're gonna add some finishing touches to it. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do, you already know what we do. We add some of that green stuff, just so it can look a little pretty. Guys, whoo, that baby looking good. And the only last addition I wanna do, I wanna sprinkle it with a little Cajun seasoning on top, just to bring out some of that flavor and brighten it up. That's spectacular right there, spectacular. All right, guys, it's time to get this baby plated up. Got us a plate right here. Let's go in. Should we get that plate a little bit closer so they can see what we talking about over there, what we working with? Oh man, that's what we working with right there. That's gonna be enough for me. Gonna be a piece of chicken right there. We're gonna hit that with a little bit more of that green stuff, just for me. That's it. It's time to check it out with some quality control. Let's see what we got down here. Woo! You know, we're gonna do that little twirl. Oh man. Yes, sir. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about right here. This baby's so cheesy. So creamy-y, spaghetti-y. Man, you don't want to pass this one up, folks. Trust me. Oh man, that's it. I can squeeze a little lemon over that, and man, bring out more flavor. Listen, guys, you definitely want to try this to the end. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Banger.